This is how to deposit a check, so make sure to follow my steps. For the first one, you should log in to your mobile banking app. For the next step, you should tap the deposit checks. After that, you should tap front of check, and then make sure to take a clear photo of the front of your check by holding your device directly over the check. They will take the photo for you, or tap the camera icon to take the photo manually. So the green check mark will indicate the photo has been captured. For the step number 5, you should tap back of check and follow the same process to capture the photo. And then the green check mark will indicate the photo has been captured. Next, make sure to tap select account and then select the account where you want to deposit the money. After that, select enter amount and enter the dollar amount of deposit and then tap next. Once done, make sure to review the details of accuracy, then tap submit. You'll get a confirmation that your deposit is processing, and they will also send you an email confirmation. You can also see your deposit in your account details. After that, tap done. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you on the next one.